Look at the stars, look how they shine for you.
Yellow, ang first hit na nagpakilala sa bandang Coldplay sa buong mundo. Una nang tinawag na Blue Romantic Rock ang kanilang musika dahil sa mga matinding emosyon ng kanilang mga kanta, gaya ng The Scientist.
Nobody said it was easy.
Sky Full of Stars.
Cause you're a sky full of stars.
At marami pang iba. Kaya para sa mga Pinoy fans, wish granted ang announcement na kasama ang Pilipinas sa kanilang Asian Tour sa 2017. Sa eksklusibong panayam sa lead vocalist na si Chris Martin sa telepono, excited na sila sa kanilang first-time visit sa Manila.
It's kind of mind-blowing that we can come to Manila and hang out with thousands of people and sing the same songs. I mean, it makes us feel alive, it makes us feel full of joy. And so in return, we just give everything we have. It's somewhere I never thought we'd be able to go to when I was a little kid. And so I'm excited to see the city.
Fireworks, lights display, isang malaking visual at musical treat ang maaasahan ng mga Pinoy sa Manila leg ng A Head Full of Dreams concert.
But we really love our job at the moment. We feel so lucky, we feel so grateful. We get to go around the world, you know, with different languages, different races, and, you know, experience the feeling of community everywhere we go. Right. And that's a very special feeling.
Sa inilabas na disenyo ng stage sa MOA Concert Grounds, may mahabang rampa sa gitna. All standing at walang upuan ang venue. Mula sa VIP section hanggang sa general admission. Ang presyo ng ticket mula 1,800 at 22,500 ang pinakamahal. Simula na ang public sale ng tickets sa November 24 para sa Coldplay concert sa April 4, 2017. MJ Felipe, ABS-CBN News.